Okay guys, so I'm going to just show you what we've done to the Mini. I'll put a few pictures up of when we bought it and what we've done to change it. Shut the door a minute. So yeah, when we bought it, it had the stripes taken off it. It had no sports pack arches on. I'm not a fan without, so we put the sports pack arches back on. We put the stripes back on the bonnet. Yeah, it's not John Cooper, it's a Tiny Terror. We've gone to the spotlights on the front, lights up the whole of the street. Didn't touch the mirrors. We did do some paint work on it. And obligatory fuel cover, and then on the back. So I'll show you a bit of the inside. So this Mini is known as TJ, and the reason is because you probably can't see with a light. No, you won't be able to see it, but it's basically my Tom and Jerry car. So the boot, we kitted all out with the boot kits that you can buy from the shows. This I did myself, and then hubby fitted me my speaker. I do like my music, so yeah. You might notice that there is no fog light on it. It does have a fog light, don't worry. My husband sorted that out. It is now in the light instead of a reverse light. The inside is mostly changed. I've got an audience while I'm doing this, guys. Look, these two beautiful horses here. Look, they're watching me, aren't you guys? Hey, hello. They're watching me, bless them. Right, so I'll show you the inside. That's where the main changes have been. So seats were the original MPI seats. I wasn't keen, I did clean them, but they still look really dirty. So these seat covers are from Andy at Optimize Automotive. Can't recommend them enough, absolutely brilliant. Excuse the coat on the back. Yeah, the covers, absolutely love them. As you can see, my door cards, they match the boot. Again, did them myself. We changed the handles inside, they had the black plastic. So we put all those on. Dashboard, the dashboard was the walnut one. I wasn't that keen. So it was, yeah, it was sort of coming apart a bit. So we changed it to the black one. I've got a centre console, game with a stereo in, just nice and simple, nothing too over the top. Obligatory ducks there. Steering wheel. So the steering wheel, if I can get it in shot. So that was your MPI steering wheel. Now what I did, it was really expensive to cover it. It was about £250. So what I did was I got some dye off eBay and basically dyed the cream bits. If you want to know how I did it and what I used, then just get in touch and I'll send you a link to it. You might notice I've got these. That's for answering my phone, and that one is just for turning the music up and down. I don't have vents. I've now got speakers in there with a little 3D printed surround. This door is pretty much the same. Seat belts. I didn't want the cream seat belts because they just didn't go. So we now have the blue seat belts, as you can see. I think that's probably it, guys, to be fair. The wheels didn't come with those wheels. They were actually on my husband's Mini 30. He had new ones and I've nicked those off him. What else have we done? Oh, it's the Mini Girl sticker, 2494. Yeah, so that's it really. Had a few paint jobs done on it. There was a bit of rust, a couple of bits, you know, not right. So we've done all them. Yeah, put the stripes back on. Got to put some new surrounds on the grille, and the badges are different. But other than that, yeah, it's just little bits really. I will show you the engine, but I'll get my husband to go through that because, yeah, it's over my head, I'm afraid. But I will just introduce you. I think these horses here, they're beautiful. Hello, darling. Yeah. Oh, look, his baby. Your baby one there. Hello, Sissy. Hello. Hello. Beautiful, aren't you, Gabby? Aren't they lovely? There's a little baby there. Like, I won't touch baby because obviously mum's protective. So yeah, as you might see, the countryside. It's quite nice where we live. I won't give you the exact place, but we are in Warwickshire. As you can see, you can probably see in the distance the motorway up there. There you go. But yeah, so it's a beautiful place. So yeah, so that's it. I can't think of anything else that we changed on it. Tyres, I don't think it came with those tyres. No, they just came straight off my husband's 30. So we will be doing a video of his. Well, you know, has a sports pack, Archie's back, so they'll be fitted this weekend, and we'll do a video of that. I will also do an inside video of my son's MX5 Mark 1. He's nearly finished the interior of that now, apart from the steering wheel. And that's it really. I don't think there's anything else we've changed on this. Had new bumpers on it, so the bumpers were a little bit sort of scabby, so but yeah, that's about it, guys, really. New rubbers on it. I'll just show you the inside again. Yeah, oh, it's had new mats. I've got the mini mats, and then just a little thing on my ignition. That's just a Timu jobby. But yeah, I think that's about it, guys. So there's my blue seat belts. Absolutely love them. Not the cheapest, but yeah, absolutely love those. As for Tom and Jerry, you can see there, just about see Jerry, and there's Tom. Don't ask me why, just like Tom and Jerry. So yeah, again, as for the seats, big shout out to Andy at Optimise Automotive. I have actually ordered the door cards as well. I'm not going to put them on this year, they'll probably be a next year job. But his work is absolutely brilliant. So if ever you're thinking of ordering, then yeah, do so. And that's about it. So I'll get back to on the road and find our way back home, and I'll do a bit of video then. Alright, hi everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Probably the first time you've seen me on here. We've been a bit quiet lately. We haven't had a lot to video. My husband's Mini's been off the road. He's been sorting his twin carbs out on that, and also the wheel arches they went a bit weird over the winter. So massive shout out to John at Country Classic Minis. He's painted them for us purely for we just haven't got time to do them. As my husband's been working on my son's classic MX5 too. He's just got a Mark 1. You've probably seen that on this video. He's only 22. He's gone from an ID3 total electric back to basics, windy windows, but that's what he wants. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I've done a little one of my car. I'll do a video of my husband's Mini 30 once that's out and taxed and back on the road, just to show you what it was like when we got it, now what it's like now. And I'll do one of my son's MX5. He's still waiting on a couple of bits for his though, so just forgot there's a speed bump there. So yeah, it's alright. Sorry, this is a bit of a dodgy street, this one. So anyway, I'm gonna disappear and let you watch some more of the video. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out. As I say, we've got some more shows coming up. We've got, off the top of my head, we're going to the Oxford plant, but we're going in my BMW Mini. We're going to Daventry Motor Fest on the 9th